该受幸福呀，幸福所呀，为西修爱送风霜，爱的人参与呀，出啥 ？Introduce yourself.
整個族，လူ人嘅間都直，你嘅間都講分講單嘅種，愛的人應經過 Chicago。
哇！
I'm not there talk. My name is Lucky Shine. Welcome to Idere.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you welcome to Idere. All the way from Singapore, I bring you greetings. I left for a very short vacation, and I am here today, and that is the good news. I brought some things for you. I gave to Elenu to give to you people. So, Elenu, make sure you get to our viewers what I gave to you.
Yes, I not going to work that day when you give me, so I give Lucky Child.
Okay.
He reached to talk truth now. He don't speak pidgin. I think he start with Chinese language. Chinese language.
Maybe when I go to Singapore, I speak Chinese. Person when go to Singapore, come back.
No, it was where I was staying. It is called Indian quarters in Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah, just the way you people have Peckham in London, where the Yoruba people are.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That is how it is in Singapore.
Okay, my people. Welcome to Idere. This is not the only bus we get for drivers for steering, but now one bus where they go one place, yes. Not Singapore, not Kuala Lumpur, but to give you a jolly entertainment Saturday. Kanachiko, so the here is in here, the useless boy.
But meanwhile, Melenura, like your chain.
No, it's called brooch. It's a brooch. Classic man brooch.
No, this is this thing that those girls in Rita Lori wear in the leg.
No, it's not. It's
you
not.
now carry one girl, you didn't pay her, you carry a chain and wear for neck. Okay.
All things are passed away. I don't do those things again. You know, you introduced me to all these things. Whoa. I didn't know Rita Lori until I met you. You are the
you don't even talk, man.
Okay, why did you say anytime you want to give illustration, you must use Rita Lori?
You know why? Because that was where it was initiated. And this Shaggy one
and he was the one that initiated me.
This Shaggy one
let them converse. You are so that they see them.
Shaggy. This Shaggy where they see so. You know how many comedy clubs this boy be passed through? There's no how where you go to walk for where they roast fish and you know go say your hand no go touch my elite. You understand? If you roast it, this guy they work for club. So anyway.
So Shakolo, how was your trip from Kuala Lumpur, Singapore
to Kuala Lumpur. Then 2 days in Paris. Yes. Don't forget to mention.
Oh, yeah, oui. Just quick entrance to say level.
Yeah.
Now you no go. Now you speak all the language.
I tire.
Oh yeah, you try.
You know the point where they are brother with the brother will speak the language.
I want for
you. Meanwhile, it was very fine. Now when I come back and something happened, I say no. As you see the happen inside plane, what would they? Now come bring back my phone, take the record to see this incident. You know, say normally for plane, where you sit down, and there you go put your bag for up. And you get 2 people who sit down there, their hand luggage will be like full baggage. So the up don't full. Because you were a Nigerian woman and Chinese man come begin argue. What surprised me now when Chinese man, one of the Chinese guys begin speak pidgin. Man, not finish the story. More don't watch the video. More watch the video when they come back.
Stop pushing me. Why my brother before first time where you come out? No, because they told him to pull one bag out of there.
First time where you come out my bag.
I'm not the one that said that. I'm not the one that said that. The pilot lady told him that he should put something down.
Why you come out my brother bag for tap? Why?
Who performed the
now let's see him put it here. My brother first time why you come out for that?
No, because I have to put my bag here. And the lady told the man that he should put the laptop under the I see that I should put my
nice and serious.
So that the country will go with that come back.
No, not that they are misbehaving. You know, most of these guys, then all these Chinese people there, some never even come to Nigeria, they learn pidgin, keep.
In case.
Yeah, so because everybody get a dream, just like Nigerians get the American dream. Okay. You get people they speak Yankee here now. But they never travel. If you go China, you go see guys who never travel come out for China and say, Afana. Yes, sir.
No. But you don't notice when they talk inside the plane, the woman first they speak English. You get the where they say Adam. She comes to say, this guy don't use our own pidgin. Our own personal rights pidgin. Want to follow me now? She takes that. Probably that. If they born you, remove my back.
But you don't get the woman for humble. If you say that Chinese guy come speak Yoruba,
hey,
woman, you call and say.
No, the pilot for this back the plane will say, come. Attention, this is your captain speaking. Please, this plane can no longer fly. We need to confirm the nationality of one of the Okay, my people, now know the way we do. We just talk about the matter. As Shakara they come back, you see Chinese man and Yoruba woman where they quarrel for plane. Chinese man begin speak pidgin. Yoruba woman verse speak Yoruba because she need to meet up with the language problem. Ladies and gentlemen, this time I the red. And don't forget, say our Twitter is still at @ITheRed. You get news, you get video like that. Today, why can't they go see the video? Just as Shakara say for play. You say if you record and send and give us for @ITheRed@wazobiatv.tv. We is coming back. Let us go on a Kuala Lumpur trips.
On a breaking thing.
Why you comment on my brother work program? What an appreciate the guy that speaks Hebrew, I don't even know.
That one tick.
Yes, sir. When I welcome back, Mr. The Red, and I did here with my brother MC Shakara, Lucky Child, Shaggy, and me, myself, Eleno, and I. Yes, we are all in the year.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Meanwhile, before you continue, information where they give me from Kuala Lumpur to tell Nigeria guys, they say they know they buy a kidney again.
What do they buy a liver?
They say the ones where they buy, say many people won't no walk. Say somewhere they say na the color na cigar.
So you say they give you list now. Some people where they don't make up Kuala Lumpur. Showman, Solo, Ani Baba. Ugo. Eman. Rajai. Osam. If you know all the Cigar United.
Cigar United. It gets some when they buy. You know that's the guy got smoke, not you can't dump. So they buy some liver and roasted one.
They just put up for plate, put small ketchup. Begin using knife.
They don't put them for one chance, then they don't answer. Well, now
so make you want to go.
Make you want to go. This way we want to be like say they in line with 20 women they do it, they surprise people. They say the town where women they fight for rain to fall.
I know that's
say not be say that they fight say you cause one person or whether one person they fight say because they take one person boyfriend. Then they fight may rain fall.
Okay, they fight each other.
Yes, may rain fall. So quarrel not the day, but because rain not the fall, they'll gather the fight so that rain go fall.
They need that rain that moment.
They need rain. So for rain to come, they fight.
Let us look at this.
So let us hear the story so that we go polish our way.
So we know what to say. Put it in the right place.
So another story is still on the Wawa Argo town where women they fight for rain to fall. Every year in the month of May, women from Nahua villages of Guerrero inside Mexico, they gather to wunjure each other. Serious fight that they blow each other eye, nose, mouth, so the blood go they come out for all part of their body. They go come gather the blood will come out for their body, put inside bucket to take water their land so that rain go fall. They say the villager believe say this kind of fight then they bring rain for their land to get fruitful product. Before the fight, they go gather first, prepare correct food wey contain turkey, chicken, rice, boiled egg and other things. Then the old women go come gather because the old women now they be old timers warriors. They go come provoke the young women to get into the ring and spill some blood. After the tough fight, where blood come out from nose, body and every part of them, they will come hug each other before they go their house.
It's a good story.
You know what I like?
Supposed to be for Joe every day.
Every day.
They fight when they fight.
Yes, now if that can't
fight, if you fight when they fight for that place every day.
But
even on Ruby, I don't tire for blood.
True. But you know, so we like to mind our business.
Kó wá tú wá sílẹ̀, ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó sọ ní kábàdì. Kó wá tú wá sílẹ̀, 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 kó wá tú wá sílẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé hallelujah!
See what she did, that's like it,
You don't talk to the video now. They know when they do Thanksgiving. They rock me, baby.
Well, you know, say, pastor for inside church, when they pray for person, we know they work out before. And when they tell the person, is the leg sleeping you? Can you raise it up? Raise it up, raise it up. Can you just?
Now you know, color. Can you raise it up? Please, can you shake it?
Shaki? No, I didn't get serious.
So, okay, our correspondent from Kuala Lumpur again.
Meanwhile, this Kuala Lumpur trip, I saw a lot of things. You know, Kuala Lumpur is not too far from Mexico.
That's what I hear, as you talk about.
Yes. No, it depends on what you are traveling with. If you are traveling with a very fast spaceship,
you can easily
spaceship.
Spaceship.
This guy now.
That's a shortcut trip.
But this one.
Seriously, what you travel with? What you travel? Because you don't travel with many things.
Man, I don't leave the journey. Don't think I say there was a travel. There was a travel. And things happen. This one happened for Mexico. But I don't know whether I did close to Kuala Lumpur. But one guy who did Kuala Lumpur will not just give me the gist. I say, no, when I come here, I will tell on the gist. Because the guy tell me, say, for Mexico, you get one governor of one state for Mexico. He marry alligator.
Like his wife.
That is who marry a person, not be his wife.
The alligator go fine.
Sure, you see what in this thing, if I'm more hear the story first, then we won't come back. We will know whether it gets something to do with the gay rights. Whether the gay rights cover animal marriage. We will know. Let's come back.
This another story still on the Wawa angle, not be lie. Governor marry alligator Mbeleke. One time for Mexico, don't get to read on Wawa first lady. Na alligator, the governor of San Pedro Umelula, where his name be Joel Vasquez Rojas, Mario. The alligator name na Maria Isabel. The governor exchanged marital vows with the reptile, where be wife now. Then throw big wedding reception with the alligator, changing different clothes. Like say na celeb. The governor danced well with the alligator wife. The governor said the marriage go bring good luck to the village.
When I confirm,
that means the family of the alligator go come there.
I confirm wedding. They say that exactly as normal wedding. So the alligator change dress.
When they go pay the alligator bride price, what did they carry go?
Nice question.
Nice question.
To carry chicken go now.
Food way alligator than the chop.
Alligator pepper.
Ele Oba. Oba, say you see the things you are causing now. You have legalized that man should marry man, woman should marry woman. Now people are taking it further to marry animal.
Yeah. So that go.
Now you they call Obama. So
Oba.
No, sorry, I be called. You got somebody. No, you got one of our producers when they work there. That call.
Okay, now you call to share with that.
So the thing you are doing now. Okay. But I be tell my friends for Bobosi and say when Buhari visit Obama. You know, say when Obama comes and say, how far will you like to endorse this gay thing? I say, Allah, you don't know why people were like, Allah, for airport code, they go stone me. Allah, yeah, the quiet man, you announce everybody they celebrate. If I took them for Nigeria, Allah, kabiri kowe.
Let's talk 30 years.
Allah, let's take 30 years.
This is not the reason I'm here. They say, when you touch this thing, another 2 minutes, they will stone this television.
Leave it.
Don't go to for Nigeria.
Just leave it going. Let's talk about the dollar and the naira. The gap are too much.
Remove that thing, leave that thing that you're talking about.
Then the question like, don't say Obama sit down and it's come space. Say that ships come small man. Now this space they make space they for naira. Ships come wala Allah. Let this thing be closed man.
Practically they go close the place
Oh my God. Oh boy, no, Shakara, you don't give it to me. Shakara and Kuala Lumpur, I've been in Singapore. I'm surprised I see Shakara they buy gallon of fuel for dockyard. They also to go Kuala Lumpur.
No, the plane will not get phone. I say good citizen.
I don't know. But me no worry. I can't carry gallons, so I can also enter Germany.
Oh, wow.
For Germany. Now for Germany, I can see where say robots kill person inside a factory. So make we hear this story, I beg.
Yes, so Tori don't want to be lie. Robot kill man for Germany factory. One robot don't kill one contractor for Volkswagen production plant inside Germany. They programmed the robot to grab auto parts and arrange them for the motor to make sense. But the robot can't see one man where stand for there, where himself be contractor. The man can resemble metal for the robot eye. Then the robot can grab this man, grab him, and this man at 22 years old. The robot can begin squeeze this man like saying a motor is they arrange. The question now be say, where did the robot be the thing?
See.
The robot get brain.
What I won't believe, you know, say, if to say if you see the man picture, the face, maybe for know why.
Yeah.
You say get some face where you go see the black metal. Because I get one friend before black say, well, I know you're talking.
You know, like, come up about face.
No,
my face even good. You get one of my guy face who say all of us go Port Harcourt. Police arrest him.
Because in face.
I see come outside for room, they just arrest him. Every say be militant.
I don't see one picture for BB. Man face wowo. And he still go to carry bush meat. As he they select the bush meat, that woman there and say, "Oh guys, you see what your bush meat journey?" Bush meat journey.
See, there's something called powder.
Bush meat, they chop bush meat.
I don't believe that robot malfunction. You go down to say no, this guy. Now brain box nice stand.
I swear, I really brain box.
Oh my God! But
I brain box pick and put for the right places. Also pick up.
But the way things they go now, if robots now don't they feed they come up for control because I don't say I computer science student I be. There's so-called programming.
Wait. How many things you be? Now, only you scientists, only you computer science. Wait, what you study for school?
Computer science.
You get what I talk ethanol for this place.
No, the way this country be, you cannot concentrate in studying one thing. My brother study a bit.
Seriously. So if they don't program this, I know in programming, if you tell the machine say, if you see A, accept. But if you see B, no accept. So the A na metal. If no be A, do accept. So this machine, the robot suppose know. So as he touch the man, not be metal, mean liver. So what thing they think when later see
you never hear some people get strong bone.
Maybe the robot they bad mood that time. Maybe get heartbreak.
They break the heart.
But seriously, waiting the man. Why go wait till the robot come meter? You know if you run.
He drink and walk
Yes,
back.
they drink origin.
You know when you know say this thing na metal, this thing no dey carry person. Even if they come, you know say
Yeah, you know me now. You go touch me now. Metal, metal.
So that's confident.
when Satan won't work.
Satan use them.
Talking about Satan, they say where God won't punish person now market day. God will punish his man. Only thief motor, loss for road, for a can finish for inside the same motor. When we hear the story, they will know what's up. They will come back and talk about it because this is pure God punishing you. Yes.
Well, this one is still another story what will not be lie. Man thief car, call lost in way, cause he run out of fuel. Police say one New York man drive stolen car, take wrong road, call end up lost without fuel inside Pennsylvania. State police say 26-year-old Christian Osorio leave Queens heading to Syracuse for New York as they gone in way he come lost for Pennsylvania and he fuel cause he finish inside the car. Now when state trooper arrive to help him, now he discover say na stolen car this man carry waka.
You stay quiet, Adibaba. What's wrong with you? I try to talk the top of my head winch.
That's enough happen. That's enough happen for here. No happen for them.
Nigeria.
It go happen, wait till no happen. Only say the Nigeria.
Nigeria thief the way the thief car we get fuel.
No, thief car get fuel.
But what if na Nigeria thief? He go run leave the motor instead to stay make they come beat am. As he see some of fuel, no, then go say na bad market. If you leave a job,
if you say maybe I say no come out for where thief am, territory when thief am. Say no, say maybe the people feel your help and push the motor we should and buy for continue thiefing.
They can't
tell say that God now want punish him. No say that say when something happen once, if it be mistake, second time, if it be coincidence, but the third time God it was God. But maybe na pastor motor in thief, who know?
That's true. Yes, who know?
This one no dey our story. Shakara here say some people them gather for Niger State against NEPA. They can't tie red cloths. See NEPA no go fit cut life for their area. See,
no, red cloth, full juju.
Full juju, carry juju.
They
Full juju, they tie full juju for
shrine. They shift the shrine.
Yeah, British shrine. No, the shrine need to relocate. Let's say if you stay one place for too long, it's very good. So the juju can say, man, I don't want to take this place. I want to change the environment for me. Now they got tie and joy pool.
And the juju, they say the juju need electricity. You don't do the darkness.
What NEPA need to do very easy. Now to take the light for office now. No need to concord. They know where they see light.
They say the full light when they get there for almost 1 week. Light no blink.
And they are the fear sharp.
They don't change.
But if I'm be PhD and I should put that thing. When I walk out like your tie red wrapper, pour that whole
Juju.
When you feel wakaba, they're not going to say NEPA man. We're coming in cantate. It's a bag of one way. Hey, yeah, you're so guy. Hey, that was a bad pole. They like it not ever. Bovejano.
Then if I native doctor on how oh my God.
It is very good.
But I don't watch movies every day. I never see outside native doctor. I don't like you.
No, you dey watch Africa.
I don't watch now. I grew up for North.
That's true. I dey watch Africa.
Matters are rising. I see. I don't get native doctor.
I don't see.
But
outside native doctor.
But let me tell you. You want me to shock you? Now they use jazz pass. But they don't get native doctor. It just be like countries. It just be like countries.
They get native doctor, but they don't wear costume.
If you be like countries, we don't get refinery, we don't even get oil.
Yes.
But now them get fuel parts.
So if you say outside native doctor, they be American.
Now you call them American.
We don't talk about the story of the time where women they fight, where women they fight. Maybe for four, they cut themselves. Talk about the story of Robert where keep person inside Germany. Say, see the person as brain boss, come cut him to put her inside one motor. Also, the man will be like say God punish. He thief motor, lost in road, can't run out of fuel.
And governor will alligator.
Also, what happened in Singapore when I was coming back? Singapore.
And also what happened in Mexico near Singapore where Shakara did.
Before Kuala Lumpur.
Just in the middle of Kuala Lumpur. Only Shakara. By Malaysia embassy. Yes. Where one governor find babe, he say all the girls don't break your heart. Now Kuku my alligator. Well, what you will know find out now whether they use ring or not chain and they type for alligator waste. Now like this one take close so they don't forget say if you see story or you pass you see video like Shakara where you see for plane where Chinese man they speak pidgin give you a woman just take video record and send and give us for I the Red at wazobia.tv and don't forget to always follow us for Twitter at I the Red. On behalf of Shakara, Lucky Child, MC Shaggy and myself Elenu we say good night and God bless you.
Peace.
And Monica, and all these cigar smokers. What does it mean? Local Kuala Lumpur.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.